Thank you, thank you. I'm always calm, yeah. I'm very happy. I'm actually a little shocked actually, because I think I was under the impression that we made a good film and we'll get good reviews. तो जहाँ तक reviews का सवाल है, I did not expect the kind of reviews that we are getting. So that has really, I mean, I don't know what that. I don't have the word for it. It surprised me, and it's made me very happy. It is my highest reviewed film of my entire life. So I regard that as extreme amount of encouragement for me and for the entire team. I know that this is not because of just me. It is because of the entire team. So I share it with the entire Kabul team. They've worked very hard. Every single person in this film has worked like as if it was a family. So I'm very proud of them. So yeah, I'm calm, excited, a little surprised, happily surprised, and a little emotional because of some of the words that I have heard from my mentors and my seniors. That has made me a little emotional. It's very personal, so I will not want to repeat them, but I have kept them in my heart because I know that someday I will need to remember those words to find the empowerment and the power to move forward on a tough day, on a hard day, something. Yeah.
Right now everybody's raving about the film, and it totally deserves because the film is just fabulous. So far, who has given you the best compliment according to you? I know you just said that you will like.
Yeah, they're all very personal, so I would not. But yeah, I will love to say the reaction of my kids. It was, I think, the sweetest reaction, and we both got the reactions separately. Him from his grandkids and my. So after the first screening, I remember there was a little get together party, but I didn't stay. I didn't go there. I went straight home. I went to the room first and I said, so Ray, and I was little scared because they are very honest, they're blatant. So I said, Ray, what do you think, guys? How's the film? So they said that, Daddy, we think that Kabul is the best Hindi film ever made. So I think beyond anything else, that compliment actually made my hands go up like that, and I have done a little swing to show them how much that means to me.
So what did your grandchildren say to you about this?
They spoke to me in the afternoon today at about 12:30. I was sitting in my office, and Rehan and Ridhan, they both called me and said, "Thank you, Guru Papa." They call me Guru Papa, my name and then Papa. Guru Papa, for making Kabul. Thank you so much. This is the best film we have ever seen, and that elated me so much.
And they've actually understood the film, and they're young minds, and they're so, it's amazing.
That's commendable. Also, sir, talking about the screens, like we have been covering the film like since morning. We are seeing the screens are comparatively to race. Kabul has received less screens. So what would you like to say about it? Are you disheartened?
Yes. I'm not disheartened to that extent that all the exhibitors whom I spoke to, they said we are going 50-50.
Right.
And today morning when I got up, I saw my newspapers and I saw Kabul in front with all the ratings, and I was so elated and I was so happy. But when I turned the page and I saw the listings of the theatre, I got a bit shocked. Okay, why have they done this when they have given me a promise? They shook hands with me and said we'll go 50-50. So I got little disheartened. तो मैंने सोचा जो हो गया सो हो गया. अब तो हम लोग पिक्चर इस बाहर आ गई है. But for the future, I request those exhibitors कि you all are a very strong body. You all are stronger than the producers. Producers are not united. You all are more united because there are only 5 to 6 players. यहाँ हम बहुत से producers हैं. तो 250-300 producers इकट्ठे नहीं हो सकते, पर 10 आदमी इकट्ठे हो सकते हैं. And if they should take a stand, कि we will, any big film comes, we will go 50-50. हम किसी प्रेशर में, किसी के दबाव में नहीं आएंगे. तो आप देखिएगा ये क्लैशेस होंगे ही नहीं कभी. क्योंकि प्रोड्यूसर पहले ही दिन सोचता है कि यार मैं अगर रिलीज़ करूँ उसके साथ तो मेरा 50% शेयर तो और चले जाएगा। मगर आप ये अगर ये उनको देंगे आश्वासन कि नहीं कि आपको हम 70% देंगे या 65% देंगे, तो ये क्लैशेस कभी ख़त्म नहीं होंगे, ये चलती रहेंगी। तो मैं आने वाले कल के लिए कह रहा हूँ कि ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। The path should be clean. And then you will see there will be no clashes. और ये clashes होना ये प्रोड्यूसर्स के लिए भी नुकसान है। प्रोड्यूसर्स के साथ जो 200-150 लोग काम करते हैं उनके लिए नुकसान है। डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर्स जो हमारी पिक्चर खरीदते हैं उनके लिए नुकसान है। एग्जीबिटर्स जो खुद पिक्चर लगाते हैं थिएटर्स में उनके लिए नुकसान है। और सबसे बड़ा नुकसान है ऑडियंस के लिए। ऑडियंस cannot afford to see 2 films a week. तो उनको भी आप बाहर निकाल रहे हैं कि आप एक ही पिक्चर देख सकते, 2 नहीं देख सकते। तो ये सब अवॉइड करना चाहिए। वी शुड हैव हेल्दी कंपटीशन। अगर दुबई में, यूके में, यूएसए में, सिंगापुर में, न्यूजीलैंड में, ऑस्ट्रेलिया में अगर मेरी पिक्चर 50-50% वहाँ लग सकती है तो इंडिया में क्यों नहीं लग सकती? क्यों ऐसी मेंटालिटी है हमारी?
Pratik, what do you think? What is the reason behind this sudden, may say, backstabbing?
It is not, the reasons are not important. Whatever the reasons are, I think what my dad is very, without blame, without complaint, what he is doing is he is trying to make people aware to help the future. Nothing is better than being fair. You can't argue with that. What is better than being fair? That is what he is trying to say, that if you are fair, everything else will fall into place. So this has been done. This is not about the situation now. He's worried because he's always been somebody who has tried to push the industry forward. He has tried to make this a better, more progressive, more evolved place. So his contribution has not just been films. So he is worried that other producers will also suffer like this. And that is his intention. यहाँ पर intention जो है वो future का है कि आगे से this should not happen. क्योंकि like he says that अगर काबिल is our little baby, then the other producers' film is also their baby. Now both the kids should be fed equally, so that they can show their strengths in a unified platform, and compete. That then it's healthy and it's fun.
Sir, you are making a good film from quite a long. According to you, what is a good film as such? It's a creative satisfaction or commercial success. What is a really good film means to you?
The good film is that it is commercially plus critic-wise should be appreciated both the ways, because I make a complete film. I try to make a complete film from which caters to the smallest stations in India to the highest stations in USA and Australia.
But
So that is a complete wholesome film.
But in the recent past, has the mentality of viewers changed watching the film as such? They are more inclined towards the content part or the entertainment part?
Yeah, of course, that's always been that.
Always been there.
Content is the most important.
Content is it.
All the praise of acting and performance and all that. I humbly, I'm very aware कि acting सब बात की बात है. It is the writing, it is the content. अगर वो नहीं, if that's the foundation of everything. अगर वो ही नहीं तो you can't do anything.
Guys,
So-
last question. This
What Kabil taught you?
Kabil has taught me a lot of things. सबसे ज़्यादा तो I think it has reaffirmed my belief in being Kabil about everything in life, even the things in life that scare you. You should believe that you're Kabil. Go face the fear. और फिर देखो, the fear will turn into a mouse and run away. तो एक तो वो is reaffirmed that faith of mine. और yeah, I think that is the biggest thing. इससे ज़्यादा क्या